Maaari nang magrehistro bilang botante sa pamamagitan ng Register Anywhere program ng COMELEC. Ang Register Anywhere program ng COMELEC ay programa kung saan maaaring magrehistro ang isang botante sa labas ng kanyang tahanan, munisipyo o lungsod. Ang layunin ng programa ay ang magbigay ng bukas, mabilisan at inklusibong pagrehistro lalo na sa mga estudyante, manggagawa at mga individual na nahihirapan na lapitan ang mga opisina ng COMELEC.
The Register Anywhere program, or RAP for short, is an initiative of the COMELEC which was pilot tested in 2024 and was fully implemented in last year, 2025. In order to provide an additional venue for persons regardless of their residence to file their applications for registration, transfer of their voter registration records, correction of entries, among others. So the RAP program is available only in capital cities and capital towns nationwide and also in highly urbanized cities nationwide. So when we conduct our satellite registration sa mga barangays and sa mga schools, we also accept applications for RAP.
Sa buwan ng Pebrero, sinimulan ng COMELEC ang off-site voter registration at RAP ng 8 AM hanggang 4:30 PM kasama ang ibang paaralan kagaya ng Easter College, Baguio City National Science High School at Dominican Hill Elementary School. Kagaya ng ibang estudyante mula sa Baguio City National Science High School, nagrehistro bilang botante sina Gwyneth Kitongat at Harvey Balagot.
Because this is an opportunity for every citizen to be a part of the governance and its political values, and it's also a choice for each citizens din naman kasi we are also affected by whatever it is that is chosen. So to get this opportunity at a time like this, I think
importante talaga. Kasi kapag kaka-register mo lang tapos mag-vote ka, hindi mo rin alam yung mga gagawin mo ngayon kasi tawag dito. Bago ka pa lang.
Rehistro, kinakailangan ng isang valid government-issued ID at revised CAF 1A application form. Bilang mamamayan, kailangan natin magrehistro bilang botante upang magamit natin ng wasto ang ating boto sa ikalalapit ng halalan at para sa ikabubuti ng Pilipinas. Camille Beray para sa Herald Express.